Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool North Electric Ericofon, and this is Terry's equipment from Missouri, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this telephone. It does not have a ring cycle, and there is no transmit, and the line cord where it connects to the base of the telephone, the connections are at the proper location, but they're just strands of wire. They need to be cleaned up and repaired. This unit also has a broken PC board, and that will be repaired, so we'll take care of that issue. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial. We will be troubleshooting the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with this really cool Northern Electric Ericofon, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that we cleaned, oiled, and adjusted the rotary. We repaired the main PC board that was broken. The transmitter was bad. That was replaced. We also cleaned up the connections at the connection point at the base of the telephone for the line cord, and the ring circuit was repaired. And the receiver capsule for this telephone is used in the ring circuit, and that's the audio that you hear on a ring cycle. We also want to mention our amplified pickup that we have taped to the back of the telephone so that you can pick up the audio on our final checkout. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now what we want to do is transmit into our telephone. So if you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Friday, January 25th. The current time, 10:36 p.m. and the temperature, 23 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our telephone up. Now that we know that this really cool Northern Electric Ericofon has been repaired, we can return it to Terry and they can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. These are highly collectible and very sought after telephones, and people really liked them. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.